Hi.
Hi. How can I help?
I have a Scotsman SCN60 Nugget ice maker. All 3 lights are on.
When did you last replace your Scotsman ice maker's water filter? How old is the ice maker?
What do I need to do? I looked up troubleshooting. Got something about an Auger No Ice, 3 lights blinking, Auger Motor Over Amp, lights will blink once every 2 seconds, 4 minutes to restart. I have ice though. It's almost over making the ice.
How long has this been going on with your Scotsman ice maker? What have you tried so far?
It just starting doing this. Overnight. Last night was fine. I have done nothing yet. I don't want to do anything wrong.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
That's all for now. I just woke up and opened the machine. It had too much ice. It was almost overflowing. After that, I just started looking up troubleshooting.
Hello, I would be happy to help you. With my experience, the ice level sensor is faulty unfortunately and will need to be replaced. You will need to order and replace this part number 11057901. It is mounted on the inside wall. It is fairly easy to replace. Are you still there?
I have a Scotsman service guy in the area coming out. Thank you.
You are welcome. I'm sorry for your trouble. If you need any more information or help, let me know. My username is You Have a Great Day. Please don't forget to rate me. Please give me a good rating. You may have to log into the app or JustAnswer.com to rate me.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.